So it's been an entire week with the cloud coverage, chilly temperatures, and rain from time to time. Today we finally break that pattern, if only for a couple of days, but we'll take what we can get, especially when you look at the temperatures that are going to come up the next couple of days. Taking a look at the radar, though, you do see the last of the storm making its way offshore into the Atlantic, bringing in some rain. The cold front now making its way off of the radars that are coming off of Wilmington. And you can see the one down there near Miami and Jacksonville, still picking up on some of the showers. But the snow that's anywhere from West Virginia and all the way up through the New England states up towards Maine. There you've even a little bit of a mix happening between southern Vermont, New Hampshire, and a little bit of western Massachusetts. Also getting into the Albany area of New York. But everything is going to eventually move offshore, but before it does, causing some issues on the roadways. Winter weather advisory is what you see in kind of this pink, or purplish, and then the pink is the winter storm warning, and that's going to continue for the next few hours. As far as what we have, a little bit of snow mixed in with some of that rain, but our temperatures, especially on the pavement, were not cold enough to collect anything. So if you did see a few flakes, you might still see a few right along Pine Mountain. We're getting a few little light snow showers, but none of that's going to stick, especially with temperatures sitting well above freezing at this point. Some fog, certainly a possibility out there, and likely going to last at least until we get to noon, and then everything should start to break up and we should get back to the sunshine. Finally, after 7 days of cloud coverage, we'll get some sunshine, so that'll be nice. Getting into Monday, a little bit of fog picking up on the FUTURETRACK, but that's River Valley, so once it goes away, we're back to the sunshine for everyone again throughout the day on Monday. Most of the morning Tuesday before the clouds start to move back in, right ahead of, you guessed it, the next storm system that's going to bring in our next chance for precipitation. So on the FUTURETRACK, we'll go ahead and put it into play. There's your high pressure sitting in. Look at those red arrows coming in out of the south. That southerly wind is what's going to make things feel really good the next couple of days, both tomorrow and Tuesday, before the cold front gets here and before the next low, which will eventually slide north and east and bring in our rain chances towards the middle of the week, especially right around Thanksgiving time. So we'll talk about that and what to expect. But for today, getting outside, prepare for a cold one. At least in the morning, cloudy, chilly with some sunshine by the afternoon. The chance for rain is basically nil at this point because we've gotten rid of it. But that 10% is mainly for the eastern counties. Look at this, 58 degrees tomorrow, 61 on Tuesday. The rain showers will arrive on Tuesday, but more so in the evening. So you've got almost 2 full days to be able to get outside and enjoy yourself. Chilly, cold mornings, but those nice mild afternoons. Still tracking Sebastian right now. It's moving up towards the Azores at this point, and eventually up to the northern Atlantic. Not expected to do much. It'll hang on to its tropical storm status, but really just a fish storm at this point, except for hitting the western Azores over the next couple of days. 46 degrees for today. It's going to be chilly, cold overnight tonight with that temperature getting down to the upper 30s with the clearing in the clouds. Now, Thanksgiving, still a little early and things can change, but for right now, it's still looking pretty good. In fact, now we're seeing a little more sunshine in the forecast, so that'll be good news. But things do cool down. It is a cold front that's coming through Tuesday and Wednesday. Good chance for rain after that point. Thursday, Thanksgiving, looking good, chilly. Same thing for Black Friday, and then into the weekend, the rain returns. More news after the break.